Embarking on the journey of building a simple AI project can be an exhilarating endeavor, offering an opportunity to delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the step-by-step process of initiating, developing, and deploying a basic AI project, catering to beginners and enthusiasts alike. From conceptualization to implementation and beyond, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and resources necessary to kickstart your AI journey. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence Projects. Artificial intelligence, AI, projects encompass a diverse array of applications, ranging from natural language processing and computer vision to predictive analytics and recommendation systems. These projects leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze data, make predictions, and automate tasks, thereby augmenting human capabilities and driving innovation across various domains. Understanding the basics. Before delving into the specifics of AI project development, it's essential to grasp the foundational concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Here are some key terms and concepts to familiarize yourself with. 1. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. It encompasses algorithms that analyze patterns in data to make predictions or decisions, with applications ranging from natural language processing and computer vision to predictive analytics and recommendation systems. 2. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where algorithms learn patterns from labeled data. It involves training a model on input-output pairs, enabling it to make predictions or classifications when presented with new, unseen data. Supervised learning is widely used for tasks such as regression and classification in various domains. 3. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a machine learning paradigm where algorithms are trained on unlabeled data to identify patterns or structures without explicit guidance. It explores data relationships independently, uncovering hidden insights or clustering similar data points. Common techniques include clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. 4. Neural networks. Neural networks are computational models inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Comprising interconnected nodes or neurons organized in layers, they learn patterns from data to make predictions or decisions. Widely used in machine learning, they excel in tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and sequential data analysis. 5. Data preprocessing. Data preprocessing involves cleaning, transforming, and preparing raw data for machine learning model training. Tasks include handling missing values, removing outliers, scaling features, and encoding categorical variables. Preprocessing ensures data quality and compatibility with the model, improving its performance and reliability. 6. Model evaluation. Model evaluation is the process of assessing the performance of a machine learning model using various metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. It involves comparing the model's predictions against actual values to measure its effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Step-by-step guide to building an AI project. Step 1. Choosing a project idea. The first step in embarking on your AI journey is selecting a project idea that aligns with your interests, expertise level, and desired learning outcomes. Consider exploring the following project domains. Natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It encompasses tasks such as sentiment analysis, language translation, and text summarization, utilizing techniques from linguistics, machine learning, and computational linguistics to process and analyze natural language data. Computer vision. Computer vision involves enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information from images or videos. Applications include facial recognition, object detection, medical image analysis, autonomous vehicles, and quality control in manufacturing. It utilizes techniques such as image processing, machine learning, and deep learning to extract meaningful insights from visual data. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involves using statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze data and forecast future outcomes. It finds applications in various fields such as finance, marketing, healthcare, and manufacturing, helping organizations make data-driven decisions, anticipate trends, optimize processes, and mitigate risks based on predictive models. Recommendation systems. Recommendation systems are AI algorithms that analyze user preferences to suggest relevant items such as movies, products, or articles. They are used in e-commerce, streaming platforms, and social media to personalize user experiences, increase engagement, and drive sales by providing tailored recommendations based on past behavior and similarity measures. Step 2. Defining the project scope. Once you've chosen a project idea, define its scope by specifying its objectives, target audience, and required functionalities. Break down the project into manageable tasks and establish clear milestones to track progress effectively. A well-defined scope ensures that the project remains focused and achievable within the specified constraints. Step 3. Selecting tools and technologies. Selecting the appropriate tools and technologies is crucial for building your AI project efficiently. Python is the preferred programming language for AI development due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive library support. Additionally, you'll need to choose a machine learning framework such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn for building and training your models. Step 4. Gathering and preparing data. Data is the cornerstone of any AI project, serving as the fuel that powers machine learning models. Collect or acquire the dataset required for your project, ensuring that it is relevant, diverse, and representative of the problem domain. Clean the data, handle missing values, and pre-process it as needed to facilitate model training and improve performance. Step 5. Choosing a machine learning model. Selecting the right machine learning model or algorithm depends on the nature of your project and the type of data available. Commonly used models include linear regression. Linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It assumes a linear relationship between the variables and aims to find the best fitting line that minimizes the difference between observed and predicted values, typically used for predictive analysis. Logistic regression. Logistic regression is a statistical method used for binary classification tasks, predicting the probability of an observation belonging to a particular class. It models the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables using the logistic function, facilitating predictions based on input features. Decision trees. Decision trees are a popular machine learning algorithm used for classification and regression tasks. They construct a tree-like structure where each internal node represents a decision based on a feature, leading to subsequent nodes or leaves representing the outcome. They're interpretable and suitable for both categorical and numerical data. Neural networks. Neural networks are computational models inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They consist of interconnected nodes, neurons, organized in layers, capable of learning complex patterns and relationships from data. Neural networks are used in various machine learning tasks, including image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Step 6. Model training and evaluation. Once you've chosen a machine learning model, it's time to train and evaluate it using your prepared dataset. Split the data into training and testing sets to assess the model's performance on unseen data. Experiment with different hyperparameters, model architectures, and optimization techniques to maximize performance and generalization ability. Evaluate the model using appropriate metrics and conduct thorough error analysis to identify areas for improvement. Step 7. deployment and integration. After training and evaluating your machine learning model, deploy it into a production environment to make it accessible to end users. This may involve integrating the model into a web application, mobile app, or API, depending on the project requirements. Ensure robustness, scalability, and security when deploying AI systems in real-world settings, and consider factors such as latency, throughput, and resource utilization. Step 8. Monitoring and maintenance. Continuous monitoring and maintenance are essential to ensure the long-term effectiveness and reliability of your AI project. Establish monitoring mechanisms to track model performance, detect anomalies, and gather user feedback. Iterate on the model's design and parameters as necessary, incorporating new data and addressing evolving user needs to keep the project relevant and impactful. Conclusion. Building a simple AI project is an enriching experience that offers valuable insights into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. By following the step-by-step guide outlined in this document, you can embark on your AI journey with confidence, armed with the knowledge and resources necessary to bring your ideas to life. Remember to stay curious, keep learning, and leverage the vast community of AI enthusiasts and practitioners to support your learning and growth. With dedication and perseverance, you can harness the power of AI to create innovative solutions and make a positive impact in the world. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.